So welcome once again. Another Thursday Zoom live webinar na support natin sa lahat ng mga leaders all over the globe. In fact, you all know that we are like 7,000 leaders or members all over the globe, scattered all over the globe, and mostly OFWs and of course, mga leaders natin nandito sa Pinas. So ang ginagawa natin dito every Thursday is we are showing you kung ano itong sinasabi nating game plan. Game plan na kung saan ito'y pwedeng makapagpabago ng iyong buhay for the better. So yun yung kagandahan, game plan that will change your life 180 degrees and it's for the better. So ano ba itong sinasabi nating could change everything, an opportunity? This is an opportunity to build multiple streams of income. That's one. Ito yung ating battle cry talaga, ang pinaglalaban natin na we can help everyone establish, build, develop multiple streams of income para magaya natin yung mga successful people na if you try to analyze kung ilan ang negosyo ng mga successful people, when I say successful, multi-millionaires or even billionaires, ang common denominator nila is they have multiple streams of income. Hindi Henry C. So Henry C. kung ang kanya lang negosyo ay SM, right? Meron siyang BDO, meron siyang development, meron siyang lahat. Real estate, so ilan yan? On the average, according to experts, 7 on the average ang multi streams of income ng mga mayayaman. So dito, gusto natin yan siyang gayahin, but in line with direct selling, with passive income, with crypto assets, with digital assets, and then we have an amazing retirement platform that I will discuss later. So yun yung ginagawa natin. So when I say multiple streams of income, ito yung mga income na ay sa simula, it could be active income, but eventually it will become residual income, and then eventually it will become passive income na ini-enjoy natin. Kunting effort, wala halos na effort, but still, you are enjoying that kind of income. So sino bang gusto ng ganyan? Sino bang gustong magaya or gayahin natin? Sabi lang daw, ang sikreto ng mga gusto mong maging successful, tingnan mo aralin mo yung buhay ng mga successful, and then gayahin mo ang kanilang discipline, ang kanilang practice, ang kanilang ginagawa. Ganun lang daw naman kasimple. So sino sa inyo dito ang gustong gayahin ang mga discipline at ginagawa ng mga sobrang successful sa Pilipinas or sa buong mundo? Can I see one in the chat box? One, para malaman ko na I am in the right crowd tonight. All right, thank you sa mga nag-participate. And of course, isa pa sa mga unique sa project natin, kasi ang ginagawa natin is we are building towards our dream retirement. Alam niyo na to. Ibig sabihin, gusto natin habang binibuild natin yung passive income, nag-enjoy tayo ng multiple streams of income. Even sa start, we are doing it actively, building our organization, but eventually it will become para na siyang snowball effect na hindi mo na mapipigilan, wala ka na magawa but to enjoy, to reap the harvest of your building network. And then, wala ka na gagawin. Kamusta na lang, hello, hi, hello na lang, kape-kape na lang, tatawag-tawag na lang, yun na ang gagawin natin. So yan yun. But one more thing na super attractive sa project natin is itong retirement. Ito yung retirement na kung saan pwede kayong mag-enjoy ng $5,000 a month for life at pwede mo pa itong ilipat sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. So ito yung pinaglalaban natin. This is the heart or this is the foundation of this project. When I created this way back, alam niyo, 7 years ago, when I started to think about, gusto ko lahat ng mga household mayroong Kangen machine. Started that way and then it evolved until we have this now, this amazing system that we have. And plus, the good news, we have now, we have added an amazing company with having an amazing product. And I know tuwang-tuwa ang mga leaders na na-add natin ito. Sino ba dito yung mga tuwang-tuwa kasi dumating si Rivubit sa PGL? Can I see 2 in the chat box yung mga tuwang-tuwa? Yung mga excited at tuwang-tuwa kasi, wow! Alam mo yung ini-enjoy ng mga few leaders natin na nagsisimula ng mag-build ng mga grupo nila. So nag-i-enjoy na sila at nagugulat sila. In fact, yung mga comments sa GC ng core leaders is, bakit ngayon ka lang? Di ba? Mga ganong klase. But remember, God's timing is always perfect. Ito yung perfect time. Kasi na-extend yung ating pag-intay ng bear market, extended. That's why we need to find something that will complement what we are doing. And the perfect company for that is this new company we have added, Revubit. Now, of course, gusto natin na kagandahan sa retirement na to is pwede mo siyang i-transfer sa family. Kahit wala na tayo sa mundo, ilipat mo siya sa anak mo. Yung anak mo, pag nawala na rin sa mundo, ilipat niya sa anak niya habang buhay ang company na to. Habang buhay si Enagic. This retirement plan is so good that there are thousands of leaders who are enjoying hundreds of dollars, not hundreds of dollars, but thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month na hindi nila kailangan pagpaguran o paghirapan pa. So, for sure, marami sa atin ang gustong-gusto ng ganitong retirement. Can I see 3 in the chat box yung matatanggap pa ngayon ng $5,000? Wala kang ginawa, kunwari, na-build mo na-earn mo na to, and then next month, hindi pa tapos, hindi pa naubos yung $5,000 mo, mayroon na naman paparating. Mayroon na naman, the next month, mayroon na naman paparating. So, ganong klaseng, di ba gusto natin yan? For sure, gusto natin yan. So, yan yung kasama sa roadmap ng Project Great Life. Now, ito isa sa mga example, isa sa mga leaders talaga na super patuto ang buhay niya, testimony ang buhay niya kung gaano kaganda ang compensation or retirement plan ng Enagic. Ito si Miss Cynthia Briganti. On the average, this lady is earning around $300,000 every single month. Bonus lang yun. Isa lang yun sa 4 na bonuses. Hindi pa kasama yung kanyang active income kung nakakabenta siya ng machine, may override siya from downlines niya na machine. Bonus alone is like $300,000. That's 15 million pesos a month. Bonus. That's something. Sino ba dito sa inyo na super mababago na ang buhay ng 15 million pesos a month na bonus? Can I see 4? 4? Of course, right? So, yan yung gusto natin. Ito yung dulo ng ating roadmap. But before tayo umabot sa dulo ng roadmap, nandito tayo sa early stages. At ang kagandahan nito, ginawa na natin ng game plan ito about building multiple streams, retirement, and then passive income through cryptocurrency, through digital assets, so decentralized finance. Ang pinagsama-sama natin yan lahat in one system called Project Great Life. So, kaya tinawag natin itong your gateway to success. So, multiple streams, mayroon kang pinagkakitaan gamit ang digital assets or digital currency. Meron kang active income like network marketing ang design talaga. And we have this retirement income na yun yung nasa dulo ng roadmap natin. Now, my question is, bago ko ipakita sa inyo ang blueprint ng project na to, is, sino dito sa inyo ang gustong-gustong mangyari sa mga buhay ninyo, maging reality sa mga buhay ninyo ang roadmap ng Project Great Life? Can I see 5? 5? Of course, diba? Sino ba naman ayaw kumikita ng passive income through digital assets? Sino ba naman ayaw kumita ng milyon-milyong salapi galing sa network marketing? Sino ba naman ang ayaw ng retirement income, diba? Galing sa Enagic na super huge na retirement income na hindi natin maisip na mayroon palang ganun. Yes, mayroong ganun, transferable to your loved one pag wala na tayo. So, that's why we created this. So, sa mga hindi ako kilala, of course, ang mga hindi ako kilala siguro dito is yung mga bago. But then, sa mga bago, ito yung aking background. I am applied math from UP, 20 years in network marketing. At sa mga sinalihan nating network na sineryoso natin, we are always at the top 1, top 2, top 10, top 20. Nandyan tayo palagi. Nag-network ako for the last 20 years kasi sa Enagic na tayo nag-stop. And then, meron pala isang company. And then, ito na, Project Great Life. Ito na yung ating baby. Now, ano bang objective ng project? Just quick una, sinabi ko na kanina, this is about building multiple streams of income for the members. Pangalawa, ito yung ating heartbeat, ito yung ating mission na makatulong sa mga ordinary people na ma-achieve nila, ma-empower yung mga buhay nila, na yung mga pangarap nila, especially mga OFWs na sobrang tagal na nasa abroad, na hindi pa rin alam kung kailan makakauwi. Meron kayong pwedeng gamiting vehicle para ma-realize yung sino ba dito yung mga OFW na gusto na makauwi 1 year from now, 1 year to 2 years from now. Can I see 6 na hindi nyo na problemahin yung pera, uwi kayo na ang pera it will not be a problem for the rest of your life. Ang gusto mo na lang gawin is mag-enjoy ng quality time kasama mga mahal mo sa buhay. Of course, right? Mga ilang taon na hindi mo kasama mga anak mo, ilang taon na hindi mo kasama asawa mo, alam mong ganong klaseng sakripisyo para lang makapag-provide for the family. That's noble, but then there is a way. There is a way na hindi kailangan hindi kasama ang family ninyo. So, share natin yan later. And last but not the least, this is all about time and money freedom. Time and money freedom. Pero mayroon tayong timetable. Time and money freedom in 3 years. So yan yung ating pinaka battle cry. Time and money freedom via building multiple streams of income in 3 years time. Now, sino ang gusto ng ganyan? Time and money freedom via multiple streams of income in 3 years time. 7 in the chat box, CPS. 7. Of course, right? So, of course, ginawa natin yan ng blueprint. Nabilisan lang kasi maraming bisita. Ito yung blueprint na. Blueprint. Ibig sabihin, may mga tao na hindi alam, paano ba yan? Hindi ko alam yung benta-benta, hindi ko alam yung direct selling, hindi ko alam mag-recruit, hindi ko alam mag-invite, mga ganong klaseng mga limitations. So, ginawa na natin ng 3 simple steps or blueprint. Ito na yung blueprint na sundan lang natin, and then you will never go wrong. You will enjoy the maximum benefit of this project once you do this down the line. So isang beses na tayo mamuhunan. Hindi natin kailangan mamuhunan sa madaming negosyo. Even though this is multiple streams of income, isang puhunan lang tayo. And the rest, system ng project ang bahalang mag-build ng other businesses nila. Okay, and then ito yung pinaka mahirap na siguro na part ng simple steps, itong Refer 3. Tulong lang sa 3, but later makikita nyo kung gaano kaganda ang product. Even a product-based driven presentation or marami na kayo masyado makukuha. Kaya nag-invite tayo ng expert na lalabas na siya in few minutes. And then, ito yung pinaka-requirement when it comes to network building. Kasi can you imagine if ang Avon, wala silang mga ahente, right? Can you imagine if ang mga real estate is walang mga sales agent? Can you imagine insurance without financial planners, right? So, kailangan talaga mag-duplicate. Can you imagine government without cabinet members, mga ganun? Without mayors, without barangay captains, down the line. So, kailangan mag-duplicate. Bakit? Kasi, sabi nga, in this kind of industry, hindi tayo nagbi-build ng negosyo. Ang sabi, we are building people and our people will build our business. Tama ba? Ipag-agree kayo niyan. Can I see 8 in the chat box? 8. Ang binibuild natin, ang inaalagaan natin is mga tao. And then those people under us, these are our business partners. These are not our employees. Hindi natin sila mga alipin sa gigilid at namamahay, right? They are our partners. And those partners under us, sila yung magbi-build ng ating negosyo. So, sila yung ating asset in short. So, okay lang, awayin mo yung upline mo, wag mo lang awayin ang downline mo. Ayos ba yun? Bahala na, murahin mo upline mo, okay lang. Basta wag mo lang murahin ang downline mo. Kasi talo ka. Okay? So, simula tayo sa step 1. Ito yung blueprint natin, sundan lang natin. Ang step 1 is this is all about purchasing a product package. So this is a one-time deal. Hindi ito araw-araw, hindi ito buwan-buwan, hindi ito. Of course, if you need more, you can buy, but at least makabili ka lang one time, once. And then the rest, depende na sa'yo. Okay? Na ang puhunan lang natin dito is around 3,000 pesos, of course, plus the shipping fee. And then you will get, ito yung bago sa mga hindi naka-attend last Thursday o hindi naka-attend sa meeting natin, ang product package na isi-share na lang natin is this one, which is ito. So, ito yung Miracell. Kaya ang kanta ko kanina ang aking tugtog kanina sa intro is Miracle. Kasi Miracell, pwede bang ganun? And then, kanta. Anyway, to explain this product sa atin, nag-invite ako ng expert. Nasa office sila kahapon. And then, sabi ko, Doc, can you present to my leaders and then my staff, admin, ang product na to para alam namin bakit ito maganda, bakit ito, ano ba yan, stem cell, ano ba yan, alam mo mga ganong question. Kasi naguguluhan, nagsusupplement naman ako, ang ganda ng vitamins ko, ang ganda ng food supplement ko, bakit pa kailangan ko ng ganito? Diba? So maganong questions. And in fact, I invited, he's a business partner. In fact, when we started the first wave of Project Create Live, way back 2018, I believe, this guy is part of the core leaders ng Project Create Life. Doon sa first wave. And then, ito sila ngayon. Kinatok nila ako ulit na kung pwede kong isama ito. So, ang kanyang profession is, he is a registered nurse by profession. And then, palagi siyang kinukuha ng mga companies na sinalihan niya as product specialist, product speaker, trainer, kanyang ano. In fact, aside from being a registered nurse, itong guy na to is he studied abroad about nutrition immunology. So in fact, ang kanyang tawag sa sarili niya is nutrition immunology specialist. So, immune system. So, without further ado, allow me to introduce Dr. Jaime Jojo Losterio. Doc, let me unmute you, Doc. Wait. Hold on. Hanapin lang kita, Doc. Now you can unmute yourself, Doc. And then you can share your screen. Let me end the hanapin kita. Ayun. Let me pin you. Doc, welcome to our live webinar. Doc Jo.
Hello po, good evening po.
Ayun. Welcome, Doc Jo. Wag ko na patagalin. The floor is yours. Alis na ako sa screen, Doc. You can share your screen if you want. You have all the time
Okay.
to explain the product to our leaders. Go ahead.
Thank you, Sir Ray. Thank you, Sir Ray. Thank you. Nakita po ba?
Hold on, Doc. I think ang internet connection mo, Doc, is not good. It's all 4 bars na red.
Really? Ngayon na ba?
Ayan. Okay na. Okay, go ahead, Doc. Hello, Doc.
Good evening po. Yes po.
All right.
Narinig ba ako?
Go ahead.
Okay. I am a registered nurse by profession, both in the Philippines and in the US, and I am a nutritional immunology specialist. So tonight, I will be sharing to you the product which is called Miracell.
Doc, putol-putol yung connection mo, Doc, I believe. Hold on, hold on. Doc, can you like pwede mong i-turn off na lang yung video mo, Doc, para mas hindi siya kukuha ng bandwidth ng connection mo, Doc, para hindi mag-lag.
Naglalag ba?
Ayan, ayan, ayan. Ulit. Sige. Can you share again, Doc? Pag share ka ng slide, Doc, wag mo na lang, i-off mo na lang yung video mo para hindi siya mag-lag na. Share ka ulit ng screen, Doc.
Sige po. Okay. Ayun, okay na po?
Ayan. Hinantay namin yung screen share mo.
Nandiyan na po ba?
Ayan. Nakita namin
Okay
yung
na.
video mo.
Nakikita na siya, Sir Ray?
Yes, Doc. Yes, Doc. Go ahead.
So anyway, in the last 18 months during the pandemic, we expanded to more than 60 countries worldwide. Presently po, magpo 4 years tayo in November, we already have 87 countries around the world who actually affiliated with us, which means to say that our product is truly an amazing product. Sabi nga ni Sir Ray kanina, pinatugtog niya na music was about miracle. Kasi sa spelling kasi ng ating produkto, you just have to remove one I and one L. So parang miracle na siya. But I will explain to you further later bakit po siya nagiging amazing product. And so therefore, skip natin itong ibang mga nakalabas dyan. Ang titignan natin is ang ating topic tungkol sa stem cell. Okay? So everybody probably already has an idea what an stem cell is. However, maybe some of you do not have a clear understanding about stem cell. So tonight, what we will do in our discussion is to put things at the right perspective. Some of my friends are telling me, Doc Jo, kapag ganyan kasi na term na right perspective, parang pinaaral na natin sila ng medicine. So ang gagawin natin is, we will put things in the acceptable perspective. Yung kaya lang nating maintindihan, So ganito po siya. The word stem cell was actually coined by no less than Dr. Haeckel, si Ernst Haeckel, who is a German biologist, that according to him, in English, everything stems from one cell. So, ibig sabihin, lahat po na inumpisahan ng buhay ng tao, lahat po tayo, walang exemption, nanggagaling tayo sa isang cell. So, that cell is the combined sperm cell and the egg cell of our parents, and then it formed into a zygote, and it forms into a blastocyst, and then the latter part became the fetus, and then now became a newborn baby. So, kapag isang bata na po na buo, meron po siyang more than 1.7 to 2 trillion cells. In our lifetime, we will have more than 100 trillion cells in the body. So ano po ang implication nito kung meron tayong ganong kadaming cells in the body? Implication po is when we reach the age of 25 up to 30 plus, 36 to be exact, 25 to 36 years old, our body has the capacity to duplicate 100% of the cells that are normally damaged, of the cells that are normally destroyed due to our exposure to toxins, sunlight, processed foods, and everything that actually causes damage to the cells. So in this case, hindi nahihirapan ng katawan para mag-recover kasi kayang-kaya niya ng 100%. Ganun po siya ka-amazing ang ating katawan. However, pag lumagpas na tayo sa edad na 36, doon na po nag-umpisang mag-deteriorate ang function ng ating stem cell, that is to duplicate and to replace the damaged cells. So, pag meron pa tayong mga maintenance of medication, meron pa tayong mga bisyo, yung lifestyle natin is kakaiba, and our exposure to stress is doubled due to our exposure to certain routines. Nakakaiba. Kaya, nadadamage po yung ating cell. In this case right now, people will go into the so-called remedies. So yung mga remedy po natin para hindi tayo bumilis na tumanda at hindi tayo bumilis magkaroon ng mga nararamdaman or mga sakit, we will opt for healthy practices, and one of which is taking food supplements. Other people will do exercise, they will go into yoga, they will go into dieting. Pagtanda natin, yun po ang inevitable. So we cannot stop it. However, if we wanted to really understand how we can possibly start to preserve our lives, what we call, paano tayo magiging young pa rin kahit karamihan sa ngayon is to go into stem cell therapy, because stem cell therapy is the highlight of this generation. Kahit hindi po natin gustuhin, yan po ang kalalabasan ng stem cell therapy po. Ganyan po ang mangyayari. Ngayon, ang magiging tanong, a very powerful food supplement right now. Ang lahat po ng food supplements, napakaganda po. Ang kaibahan lang po nila ni stem cell is that sa 5 R, i-mention ko lang, regeneration, rejuvenation, revitalization, and some other terminologies that we're going to incorporate to it, because once we use a very powerful and nutritious food supplement, it all acts or it all functions in that manner. It can nourish, it can strengthen, it can actually cause the weak cells to continue its life. However, when the cells are damaged, kapag damaged ang cell and the cell are already dying or even dead, wala pong capacity ang lahat ng ating iniinom na mga vitamins, herbal preparations, antioxidant preparation, food supplements, superfoods, wala po silang capacity to
Ayan. Nawala ulit ang boses mo, Doc. Hello, Doc. Doc Cho.
wala silang capacity. Pwede makatang. Yes po, I'm still here. Yes po, I'm still here.
Pakiulit nung
Narinig
last,
kita, Sir Ray.
pakiulit nung last 1 minute mo na nawala ka, Doc. Naputol ka. Last 1 minute. Ano yung walang capacity doon, naputol, Doc?
Last 1 minute.
Yung
Okay.
ang vitamin.
Pwede po mag-repair ang vitamins, mag-help in the repair. Ang mga food supplement, tinatawag natin na replacement and reinforcement / replenishment of dead cells. Ito yung hindi kayang gawin ng ating napakagandang mga mini-maintain na mga food supplements. That is why today, stem cell therapy happens to be in the front line of the medical research. In fact, this therapy now is being accepted by most tertiary hospitals in the country. Because if you have friends in St. Luke's Hospital, you have friends in Makati Med, you have friends in Asian Hospital, and then you ask them about stem cell therapy, they are aware of it. They only call the department regenerative medicine department, and they are discussing about stem cell therapy. However, ang stem cell therapy is important because, as I have said, it replaces the dead, the very damaged cells in the body. Like in the case of politicians, mga mayayaman na mga politiko sa Pilipinas, Juan Ponce Enrile, Joseph Estrada, Chavit Singson, Imelda Marcos, they're all using stem cell therapy. They go to Germany for their stem cell therapy, and that will cost them 1.7 million to 2.5 million per injection. And this stem cell therapy is safe. As in, according to them, it's safe. So today, if you would wanted to access yourself to stem cells like that, you need to consider the price. Bakit? Ang human stem cell po na ginagamit ngayon ng karamihan ng ating mga mayayaman na mga tao is napakamahal po niya. Dahil meron po kasi siyang limitation, and that limitation is it's what we call rejection. Kapag hindi po quality ang ating ginagamit na preservation and the processing technique of this stem cell, human stem cell, then you will actually cause yourself even more danger. That is why a friend of mine was telling me, Doc Joe, meron tayong clinic dito sa Quezon Avenue, ha? So pwede po tayong mag-recommend ng mga friends. Tinanong ko kung magkano yung injection nila, kasi ini-inject na nila yung stem cell ngayon through intramuscular or through IV. So ang halaga po is nasa 100,000 up to 200,000 depending on the specific combinations of nutrients that they are actually putting in to feed the human stem cell. And then mayroon kang 6 dose of that, so abot ka pa rin ng million. Kaya lang, itong mga ganitong klaseng clinic, you need to scrutinize it so well because there are feedbacks on the so-called rejection. And in that case, experts around the world wanted to get another source that could be much more affordable or cheaper. At nakita po nila na ang animal stem cell could be one of those alternatives. And the first group of animals that were studied by scientists more than 70 years ago are the sheep. Until mga 30 years ago, meron na pong deer. And then, ang pinakabago po ngayon, mga 10 years ago, is the horse. And all of which comes from the placenta. When it is coming from the placenta, it is, take note of this one, when it is coming from the placenta, it is a generally blood cells. There are some sectors, religious sectors, who do not consume blood cells. Therefore, they do not approve of the use of the human stem cell that are coming from placenta. And because also there are side effects. The side effects are not as, let us say, hindi naman siya ganun klaseng side effect or wala siyang tinatawag na rejection, pero yung side effect naman niya, it can cause discomfort, especially the prolonged use of which, because somebody asked me, who is also a doctor, na meron din siyang nabasa na certain literature that discusses about mga side effects daw ng stem cell. So I was telling him, we have actually, Doc, tatlong source ng stem cell. Noted po yan at meron po tayong documents to prove that there is one source of stem cell, which is a plant stem cell, that is safe. When we say safe, there is no side effect, there is no rejection. But then, the research was quite so long already. Matagal na yung research sa plant stem cell. The problem was, they could not find a specific machine to preserve or isolate the plant stem cell because it's very sensitive when you're going to mix it with a portion of water. Pag naaalog yung tubig, sasabog po yung cell membrane ng plant stem cell. So therefore, it was only in the last 10 years that this group of scientists and manufacturers were able to successfully isolate this plant stem cell. I was talking to the mayor of Baguio City in the person of Attorney Dumogan. He was the past mayor, no? So, 18 years siya naging mayor ng Baguio City. Sabi niya sa akin, I've been consuming animal stem cell for quite so long, mga 5 years na raw. Pero I was looking for a plant stem cell. However, nobody can explain to me how this plant stem cell is being preserved. It was only during the time when I met him about 3 weeks ago in Baguio, and then we talked, and then finally, he had his share of buying our product Miracell Plus because he believed in it. And then, of course, later on, I will discuss to you some of our certificates, why we became affiliated or why we were affiliated with 87 countries around the world. However, if I may continue, the exciting part of the stem cell is because of the fact that when we were discussing earlier that our supplements, our superfoods, our herbal remedies, our antioxidant preparation could probably help in the repair, could probably help in the prevention of diseases. Ladies and gentlemen, on your screen right now, nakikita nyo, meron po dyang reverse bulb. It reverses muscular dystrophy, all of which are in fact the limitations of mga herbal preparations. Ito lang po ang mga bagay na kayang gawin ni stem cell. Kaya lang, ang pinapakita ko po sa inyo is you have a choice of either a human stem cell, an animal stem cell, or a plant stem cell. And therefore, ang tanong ng karamihan, Dokyo, excited na kami. Gusto na naming malaman, anong plant ba ito? Ang plant po na ito ay nasa loob ng ating Miracell Plus. And this plant is referred to as the apple stem cell or the apple. This apple in your screen, you see that it is an 18th century variety of apple named Utweiler Spatlober apple. By the way, there are two distinct colors of Utweiler Spatlober. The purple, red purple in color, and then the green one. What you are looking at on your screen is the class A, and this one is the very source of that concentrated apple stem cell. The scientific name, by the way, is Malus domestica. Now, if you would like to really understand how did they how did they find out that this apple is truly amazing? There is this scientist named Dr. Fred Sully. He is now about 101 or 104 years old, if I'm not mistaken with his age, but he looks like he is 70 years old. He was the chief scientist of Nestle. For without him, wala po tayong Nido, wala po tayong Bear Brand ngayon kasi siya po ang nag-imbento niyan. Ngayon, nung nag-retire po siya sa Nestle, he wanted to do research about this apple because there were only 4 puno, 4 na lang na trees ang naiwan nito. Sabi niya, sa Swiss government, kasi sa Switzerland na po tumutubo ang apple na ito, sabi niya, if we will not preserve this apple, then we will be missing one of the most promising knowledge, and that is towards longevity. Because I believe, according to him, this apple will lead us to our longevity as a human being. And so therefore, he was actually approved and supported by the Switzerland government to do his own research. Today, itong 4 na puno ng apple naging 2,000 and more trees na po ngayon, so that the Switzerland government houses the largest supplier of apple stem cell in the entire world. And the good news, ladies and gentlemen, if I may go back, this Miracell Plus is a product that is exclusively for Revobit only, and that it is patented. Itong 13 main ingredients is patented for Revobit in the next 100 years. So this cannot be used by any other company because we owned it. And the good news is that we are already in 87 countries worldwide. Ito po ang maganda sa kanya, no? Kasi the formulation of this one was already studied more than 20 years ago by Dr. Fred Sully po. I can attest to that because I have been with the owners of our company 5 times already, and we were talking so much about how wonderful and how great this formulation of our product. But if I'm going to discuss it to you one by one, let me just first give you the exciting part of which. Yung nasa screen niyo is naka-slice yan na apple, right? Naka-slice ano? Kapag yan ay dikitan mo ng isang round lang na packing tape and then ilagay mo sa table mo at room temperature, listen carefully ha, at room temperature, 72 hours later, tatahiin po niya ang sarili niya. Ibig sabihin, magdidikit-dikit po yung naka-slice na yan and then wala kang makita dyang oxidation, walang brown, wala po, hindi siya nagba-brown. And then, babalik po yan siya sa dati niyang itsura nung pinik out niyo po siya from the puno. Ganun ka-amazing ang Utweiler spot lower na apple. Can you imagine that? Na nakahiwa na siya pero dinikitan mo lang ng packing tape. After 72 hours, babalik siya sa kanyang original. Na wala kang makitang scar. Wala talaga siyang scar. As in, perfectly natahi niya ang sarili niya. Isn't it amazing? So far po, sa mga kausap ko, sabi nila, we need to see this apple. We need to do experiment on our own. Natatawa lang po ako sa mga ganong klaseng thinking kasi you have to challenge Dr. Fred Sully, who is the owner of Nobel Biochemistry, because sila po ang gumawa ng experiment na yan. However, I have a friend who's working as a nurse. He's a head nurse in Switzerland in one of the hospitals there. And then she said, alam mo ba, Fred, na itong apple na ito, binibenta yan dito ng $300 per kilo. O, ganun po siya ka-mahal. Kaya lang, hindi mo rin magustuhan kainin kasi it's very sour in tastes. Kaya, hindi na rin siya napafarm ng ibang mga farmers dahil exclusively right now, protected by the Switzerland government rules and regulations or whatever you call it, meron silang batas doon na hindi na talaga siya pwedeng i-exploit. Now, in this case, tayo po, we are getting it exclusively doon sa ating supplier na Nobel Biochemistry. And then, if I may tell you that we own this formulation, the other ingredients that you can see on your screen now are kiwi. For some other reasons aside from the ones that are already enumerated there, more than 5 of them, I think it's 8 of them or 9 of them. Yan po ang epekto ni kiwi. But for the information of everybody, kiwi is the national fruit of New Zealand. If you're going to ask a New Zealander about how good and how great this one is, they would tell you sang kadamakmak na mga antioxidants ang meron dyan, and it has been used by our great-great-grandparents as for its benefit. Hello, it's typically telling you why we survive, mga New Zealander, with all the diseases na nag-strike sa amin, nakayanan namin dahil kiwi nga ang kanilang national fruit. Aside from kiwi, you have bilberry. You have there enumerated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 particular or specific function of the bilberry. And then you have another one, the pomegranate, which is also concentrated with antioxidants. And then our natural preservative, which is the bee propolis. So wala tayong ginamit na preservative po na chemicals. These are all natural because it is in fact bee propolis po. Kung gusto niyo pong pag-usapan yan, I think I would suggest also in your team, kung gusto niyo talagang seryosohin na maintindihan lahat ito, pwede tayong magpa-request ng product intense discussion, especially when it comes to the ingredient. Okay? And then you have this peptide coming from the salmon ovary, because as a nutritional immunologist, some people are telling me, bakit kinuha nyo sa fish or sa salmon? Alam niyo po, when it comes to the discussion of nutrients, like amino acids in particular, ang kumpleto po kasi na structure ng peptides or ng mga amino acids are actually, sad to say, nanggagaling po talaga sa mga isda. Dati po, pinagkakaguluhan natin yung tinatawag na ano ba yun? Yung shark liver oil. But then, scientists have found that the salmon ovary peptide can replace that due to the fact that ang hirap pong hulihin ng mga shark, lalo na nasa Pacific Ocean. So in this case, the brackish grown or the brackish salmon, yung nasa mga matabang na tubig, could be the perfect alternative for the shark liver oil before. And now we incorporated it in our formulation. Next is astaxanthin, which is a king of carotenoids, which we believe is a perfect match for the preservation and for the potency of the apple stem cell. And then we also put in our cyanobacteria, the blue-green. We call it the Aphanizomenon floss acqueae, because we also consider that the formulation of this one will allow the stem cell to actually continue its function with the presence of the enzymes produced by this cyanobacteria. But then, sa amin pong study sa microbiology, part of the study yan ng nutrition immunology, we also consider that there is another group of cyanobacteria in the red group, no? Mga red group. Mamaya po, pag-usapan natin sila kasi ang sumunod na ingredient is ashwagandha po, which is a native plant in India and in America. And this one is one of those reasons why some people are able to manage their stress. Ito po ang isa sa mga ingredients na nagpapasaya sa mga tao. Dahil siya po ay merong active ingredients which are hormones, and specifically the happy hormones po, galing po sa kanya. Kayong merong depression, merong anxiety problems po, they will really feel good after using our product because of this one. And mind you, in relation to this story, I met an 18 years na buang. Buang, okay, gamitin natin sa English. She is crazy. Yung category niya is, ano ba tawag natin dyan? Hindi naman po siya talagang schizophrenic, but this patient was considered taong grasa already, 18 years. Uminom po ng produkto natin, 1 box, she started talking. Ang nangyari po sa pamilya nila, kinulong po siya kasi babae siya. Kapag gumagala kasi siya, nare-rape siya ng mga tambay. So kinukulong siya doon. Nung dati po, naging taong grasa siya kasi anywhere na lang siya nagala-gala. And so the family was actually forced to put her in a certain place ba. So kinukutsa nga siya ng mga humanitarian, ang matawag doon, na hindi daw pwede. Pero malayo kasi ang Bicol. This is one thing I would like to tell you, no? Na-met ko kasi ang pasyente mismo. Na-met ko yung pasyente. I talked to the patient. I was surprised. Paano siya gumaling? Sabi sa akin ng loved one, isang box po yung nainom niya, and then literally po nagtaka kami kasi siya yung nagtatawag sa amin na, "Uy, buksan niyo ako dito, mabaho na dito sa sa lungga ko, maglilinis ako dito," ganyan. So in the next 2 to 3 months, she's able to converse with them. Talagang ang bilis niya makipag-converse, so that may video po tayo. If you wanted that video, we can show you that video. Kasi siya na pong bumibili ng kanyang sariling pagkain. Siya na po nabibili ng shampoo niya, ng sabon niya, panligo, siya na po. And so, they were even surprised na bakit ganun kabilis na 18 years siyang ganyan eh. Paano nangyari yun? Because there is this active ingredient that helps people to recover from certain problem like that. Okay, we have another one, goji berry. There was a time in the Philippines that we were stormed by supplies of goji berries. I remember that one, na talaga nagkakagulo ang Pilipinas dahil sa goji berry. Sabi daw, napakaganda. So, sinali na po siya natin sa ating formulation of this Miracell Plus. And then we have the Aquamine. Ito po yung sinasabi ko from the red group of algae na mga tinatawag natin cyanobacteria. Kasi gusto po natin mag-cater po lahat ng kulay na meron sa natural resources. I would really love to discuss to you how important the colors, how significant they are to our sources of our nutrients, no? Especially sa plant foods. Bakit po may mga kulay yan sila? It is very significant. However, we do not have the luxury of time, maybe later or during the question and answer portion. And then we have this pure vitamin C. Kaklaruhin ko lang po. Ang dami po sa atin na sinabihan po nila, they shared to us that we need to give ourselves alkaline form of vitamin C. Hindi po totoo na mayroong alkaline form of vitamin C. Hindi po talaga siya totoo. Lahat ng vitamin C are actually acidic. So yung mga sinasabi nilang sodium ascorbate, magnesium ascorbate, ano pa ba, calcium ascorbate, these are all slightly acidic. So wala pong tinatawag na alkaline vitamin C. But if you look at it in the history of research ng mga scientists on vitamin C, that which is truly essential and truly good source for the human body is ascorbic acid that comes from citrus fruits. So you can see in our formulation there. And then finally, we have the sour soup. The sour soup is the guyabano, which all of us understand and know probably it is an anti-cancer what? Fruit. However, kaklaruhin ko din po sa inyo, hindi po lahat ng klase ng cancer kaya ni sour soup. Kaya nga po, we combined it with the best ingredients we can see in the world because these are what we call formulations with the respect of quantum physics science. The quantum physics science is very important in our practice as nutrition immunology or immunologists because kapag mali po yung combination natin, kapag sobrang dami ng combination, more than 20 combinations, there must be a specific technology na dapat po sabihin ng mga manufacturer. Kasi sa quantum physics po, ang hirap i-mix ang more than 20 kaklase ng ingredients. Mag-away-away po sila. Because the standard in nutritional immunology science na aking pong specialization is we can go as far as 15 varieties of fruits and vegetables mixed together, prepared together, and then you eat it. But one thing is for sure, ladies and gentlemen, this combination is approved by agencies from all over the world. Like, specifically, lahat po ng product and our flagship product which is Miracell Plus, meron po siyang Ministry of Health product classification from Malaysia. You have halal certification, meaning to say it is accepted by all Muslim countries around the world. Okay? And we have ISO certificate. This one was awarded to our company for food safety management system. And then in this case, we are also US FDA certified. And another one is the free sale certificate. You cannot sell this one if it's not safe for use, especially for infants. So meron po tayong mga infants 1 month old and to the oldest na 100 years old, meron po tayong ganun na mga record po to show to you that we already have these consumers na ganitong edad and it is safe for use ng mga edad na bracket na yan. Imagine yung kanina sabi ko, 87 countries all over the world. So we already documented hundreds of thousands of testimonies from all over the world. By the way po, kung ito pong mga certificates na ito, kung hindi pa po siya kalabisan, lines ko lang pong klaruhin, kapag sa Pilipinas, kailangan pa rin magkaroon ng CPR. So Certificate of Product Registration was issued to us by the FDA of the Department of Health of the Philippines. And in this case, klarong-klaro po dyan ang Miracell Plus. Nakita niyo po yan, ano? So you can get a copy of this one. Si Sir Ray humingi sa akin, kaya lang hindi masyadong klaro yung mga font daw dahil it was already taken on the camera from the laptop. But anyway, we can send you really clear copy of this one if you like, okay? And then finally, ang pinakamatibay po na approval po natin is NAFDAC. Ano po si NAFDAC? National Agency for Food and Drugs Administration and Control. This FDA agency actually has more than 40 countries worldwide and it caters to about or more than 2 billion people around the world. So kung aprobado ka ni NAFDAC na more than 40 countries, kakaiba ka na kumpanya. in the last 8 years that I've been traveling in Southeast Asian countries, in Europe and in America, nagtataka lang po ako na halos lahat ng nakita ko na mga food, mga stem cell product based on apple stem cell, I met more than a dozen of them. Lahat po sila, meron silang pinagmamalaking USFDA, meron silang pinagmamalaki na Malaysia na FDA, merong halal. Pero missing sa kanila talaga ang NAFDAC. Meron nga po kung alam na 15 years na po na Apple stem cell product na gumagala sa Pilipinas. Pero simula nung 15 years ago hanggang ngayon, madami na pong umiinom na product nila pero wala silang CPR sa Pilipinas. Tinatanong ko nga sila, paano kayo nagtrabaho na wala siyang CPR? Wala lang, di kami nagpo-post sa Facebook dahil baka makita, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi ko, nakakatakot naman yan kung meron bang magrereklamo, paano sila maghahabol kasi wala naman kayong CPR sa Pilipinas. Pero meron din akong na-met na meron ng CPR sa Pilipinas, meron ng USFDA, merong ISO, wala ding NAFDAC. So dito pinakamahirap kumuha ng approval. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm very proud to inform all of you tonight with 100% confidence, tayo lang po among the Apple stem cell product in the world that has NAFDAC approval. So in this case, the product now becomes widely known due to its quality. If I may share to you a wonderful story, that would be the one that I scanned through this QR code. Itong QR code na yan, pwede nyo po yan siyang i-scan, then lalabas po yung hundreds and hundreds of thousands of documents po that will show you testimonies. Ang isang testimony na napakaganda na narinig ko is 67 years old na babae na buntis. So parang, totoo ba ito? Kasi po, doon sa kanila, more than 50 na po ang nabuntis na mga babae na ang edad is umabot 50 plus. So nabuntis po sila. So in this case, people come to me and then ask, Doc Joe, is this really effective? Then I need to explain to them the history of the cell. Sabi ko, kung ang cell mo ay puro na sila damage, ang cell mo ay burden na talaga sa katawan mo, ang mangyayari niyan, pag hindi yan sila ma-eliminate, yan sila ay magduduplicate. Di ba? Kasi ang cell po, para dumami, hindi kailangan mag-sex. Ang ginagawa nila is cell divide, cell division. Mitosis po tawag yan. Kung hindi kayo absent during your biology class, mitosis po yan. So, nadi-divide sila. So, ibig sabihin, kung yung cell mo is abnormal, yung kanyang kasunod na cell divide niya is what? Ang tawag natin parang offspring niya. Puro katulad niya abnormal. Anong gagawin mo? Dapat i-eliminate mo yan sila lahat. How do you eliminate them? Using stem cell therapy. Now, to conclude my discussion, it is easier to understand in this manner. Dati po, pag meron tayong pasyente na meron tinatawag na kidney dialysis, meaning to say these patients maybe the kidneys are already dying or probably died kasi we have 2 kidneys left and right. So ngayon, matatapos lang ang kidney dialysis kapag nagpa-transplant ng bagong kidney ang pasyente. Ang kidney transplant is a typical stem cell therapy. However, organ po ang pinag-usapan. So buong kidney ang pinag-usapan. Pero sa ngayon po na stem cell therapy, ang ginagawa, nangungulekta ng mga stem cell dahil ang mga stem cell po, sila po ang magtra-transform into kidney cells. Now, when a patient is into kidney dialysis, weak na po yung kanyang katawan. Marami na pong sira sa ibang organs niya. So kung sa kanya manggagaling yung stem cell, hindi na po kaya. Kaya kukuha siya ng sources ibang tao. Kaya kailangan niya ng donor. Million po ang halaga niyan. Kaya pupunta ka na lang sa mga stem cell therapy. So pipili ka, human stem cell, animal stem cell, or plant stem cell. Now, in this case, the plant stem cell is very affordable. So kung affordable ito, kayang-kaya pong mag-therapy ng pasyente. Ang ating therapy po will reach 4 months. 4 months. So the best dosage starts from twice a day. Ang pinakamaganda is 4 times a day in the next 4 months. However, some people would ask me, Doc Joe, wala naman ako talaga nararamdaman na grabe. Okay lang po ba na mag once a day? That is your choice. Choice po nyo yan. Pero ang pinakamaganda in order to achieve the best result is to use 4 sachets in the next 120 days. Diyan po ninyo makikita
Ayan.
epekto stem cell na pati kayo mismo malulula na lang kahit ang kanya is 6,000 pesos. But I believe so, nakikinig ako kanina sa opening ni Sir Ray, yung package is parang libre yung isang box nito doon sa ano. So parang kayo na pong mag-explain yan dahil hindi na ako familiar doon sa ano. So dati po I'm part of the core group of PGL. So ngayon yung bago packaging niya, nakita ko po. So you are very, very fortunate that you can get this package in that amount na sobrang mura. Kaya nga po, today, there are some people who are very happy. Talagang palakpakan sila na napakamura na stem cell. Pero meron po akong dalawa na client po sa Dagupan. If I may close this one with this story. Sabi niya sa akin, Doc Joe, sorry to tell you pero parang ayaw kong bumili ng product mo eh. Sabi ko, bakit? With all the documents, with all the legalities and everything, with all the testimonies that I have shared to you, binigyan pa kita ng link. Bakit po? Sabi niya, kasi it's too good to be true na napakamurang product. Ganyan ang epekto. Kasi gumagamit talaga ako ng stem cell, galing pa ng China. 100,000 yung ginagastos ko dyan eh. Bakit sa'yo po sobrang mura? Sabi ko, sir, kung nagagalit kayo dahil nabiktima kayo or nabudol kayo sa 100,000 plus, huwag nyo na pong isali ang aming Miracell, sir, ha? Kasi ito pong amin, sir, sa awa ng Diyos, kompleto po kami ng documents. Pero kung ayaw nyo po, so ibenta ko na lang sa iyo ng 100,000 kung gusto nyo po. Pero siyempre po, ang presyo talaga niyan, ganyan po talaga. Ladies and gentlemen, I think I will have to end until here because I still have other things to do. Meron pa po akong ka-appointment sa baba ng hotel na ito. Nasa Jensen po ako ngayon. I'd like to say thank you to the group of PGL with the leadership of Sir Ray. Thank you po. I will entertain some questions if you like. Siguro mga 4 o 5 tanong para po ma-close natin ito. Thank you po sa time ninyo. I will wait for your question po.
Thank you so much, Doc Joe. May portion kanina, sabi, ang pinakaano nito is, narinig ko yun kahapon na question na, what if nag-take na ako ng supplement na all about immune system, to strengthen my immune system, kailangan ko pa rin bang mag-stem cell, Doc Joe?
Okay. Immune system is also composed of immune cells. So the immune cells, even if they are responsible for the protection, for let us say, yung nakikipag-away sila sa mga bacteria, sa mga viruses, sa other foreign substances, still, they are prone to what? Old age. Tumatanda ang mga immune cells. And then, in the case of people suffering from autoimmune disorders, ibig sabihin, ang immune system mismo, ang immune cells mismo are abnormal. What we can do with this, Sir Ray, is you replace those abnormal cells, those abnormal immune cells. And immune cells na tumatanda, papalitan mo talaga ng bago. So even if you're using a food supplement to strengthen the immune system, you need to regard situations like may mga damaged immune cells, yun ang papalitan. Kaya pinaka-ultimate stem cell therapy. You cannot miss out with stem cell therapy, especially if you are 50 years old and above.
All right.
Parang
Thank you, Doc.
kailangan talaga yan, sir.
That's just to strengthen na ang hindi kayang gawin ng supplements, vitamins, and nutrients is to replace
Yes,
if
hindi
the
talaga kaya.
dead cells or the dying cells, yung mga matatanda na, Like, typical example, mga sundalo, pag matanda na, magre-retire na. So kung wala
Exactly.
bago, so walang papalit na bagong sundalo, ano ngayon yung immune system mo? Right, Doc?
Yes, absolutely.
May question sa chat box, Doc. I know you can read it.
Okay, sige, basahin ko lang.
Coach Rosana, lifetime na po ba daw gumamit ng stem cell?
That's a very good concern. Siyempre, kung iisipin talaga natin ng ng parang logical thinking, siyempre pag namamatay yung mga cells, talagang you need to replace them. So if there are more than 100 million cells dying every day, so the mindset is madali lang, parang arithmetic lang. So kung may namamatay na 100 million, anong gagawin mo? Mag-replace ka. So naturally, kung ikaw ay matanda na, hindi mo na kaya yung 100 million. Siguro ang ma-replace mo, 10 million, 20 million. So lugi ka pa rin, talo ka pa rin. Kasi in the world of the human body, there is a number game going on. Ibig sabihin, bacteria usually attack the body by attacking it in terms of their configuration. Sobrang dami nila bago sila mag-strike ng war. And then ma-realize mo na lang, ay wala na, ang bacteria nag-spread na sa body. So in this case, you need to always mount or put a number of new cells in the body. So lifetime ka, mag-iinom. Yun yung shortcut ng or sagot doon. Kaya lang, Sir Ray, i-clarify ko lang ha, parang I would like to put this one in the right perspective na sa amin pong study as immunologist po, ganito po siya, meron kasing memory cell ang katawan, na-memorize niya lahat ng pinapasok mo sa kanya. And then, in the case na we don't want the body to be dependent on the use of it, kasi meron kasi tanong, hindi kaya ako maghahanap yan? Actually, maghahanap talaga tayo yan. So, ang gagawin mo, very important ang therapy na 120 days. Important. So, after 120 days, anong gagawin ko, Dr. Joe? You can stop 15 days. After 15 days, balik ka ulit sa 4 months mo. Ganun lang siya ang cycle, Sir Ray. You're teaching your body to forget it for a while and then you go back. Ganun po siya, Sir Ray.
Great. How about itong question from Ricardo, Doc? Pwede po ba meron maintenance kasi open heart bypass operation ako? Need po ba doctor's advice?
Okay. The good thing about that is hindi po kayo nag-iisa. Ang dami ko pong pasyente nag-bypass na po sila. And then, ang tanong nga nila sa akin, pwede bang gumamit? So, ikaw po ngayon, sir, nagtatanong kung pwede ba. Ganito yan siya, sir. The maintenance na ginagamit nyo is not a problem with our product because our product has no known contraindication. Wala siyang counter reactions. However, masasayang po yung nutrients niya kasi papatayin lang ng gamot kasi ang gamot mayroong side effects. So papatayin niya yung nutrients na meron sa Miracell or even the stem cell, pwedeng patayin ng gamot. Kaya ang ginagawa po natin is we give at least 30 minutes na interval from your medication. So uminom ka ng gamot mo, after 30 minutes, uminom ka ng Miracell. Ganun siya. Maximum po niyan is 1 hour para hindi po maramdaman nung nutrients or ng stem cell yung mga chemicals na meron sa gamot. Hindi nila maramdaman yun at hindi magkukos sa kanila ng damage. Okay?
Okay. How about varicose daw, Doc?
Okay. I have to clarify some matters. There are things in the medicine. Okay, sa medicine po, meron kami tinatawag na rehabilitative. Pag sinabi namin rehabilitative, yung mga fractured patients, kailangan yan talagang operahan. Okay? Yung mga cesarean, kailangan talagang operahan. So yung varicose veins po, kailangan po siyang gamitan talaga ng tinatawag na dermatology. However, yung healing kasi noon, yun yung kailangan natin yan siya makontrol. So,
mainit pa.
mapabilis natin yung healing. Okay? So, yun po ang sagot doon.
Microphone. Okay, thank you, Doc. How about 6 years old? Last two questions. 6 years old na mayroon daw cancer sa bituka.
Okay. I have a patient now who is a 3-year-old. suffering from leukemia, 3 years old, gumagamit po siya ng ating Miracell. So yung 6-year-old mo, Sir Ray, na tinatanong nila na merong cancer sa bituka, she can use or he can use our product. Okay? Pwede siya mag twice a day kasi 6 years old pa siya. Or kung talagang nagtitipid, once a day would be all right. Okay?
Then ang last question, maybe dosage daw, Doc. May I know how many boxes will be consumed in 120 days?
Okay.
Per box
That-
is...
Ganito siya, Sir Ray.
Okay,
Kung
go ahead.
mag-once a day ang isang pasyente or isang kliyente, 5 boxes po ang 120 days. 5 boxes.
Okay.
Pero kung magto-twice a day ka, that's 10 boxes. Kung magti-times a day ka, that's 15 boxes. Kung mag-4 times ka, which is the best dosage, that's 20 boxes sa 4 months. Pagkatapos mo ng 4 months, Sir Ray, sa 20 boxes, di ba mag-stop ng 15 days? Pagbalik mo, mag-once a day ka na lang. Yun na yung parang maintenance mo. Ganun siya.
First wave lang yung first cycle mo.
Yes po, yung first cycle lang talaga, ha?
Alright.
So thank you, Sir Ray, for your time.
Allergies, Doc. Last. Hypertension, hyperthyroidism, and allergies, Doc. Pwede?
Okay. I have a video, Sir Ray. I forward to you the video of a patient who was removed with the thyroid gland because of the hyperthyroidism and all this stuff. Grabe po, kasi ako mismo ang nagbasa ng result niya, kami mismo ang nag-usap ng pasyente. Ipasa ko po sa inyo yung video na iyon para may pakita mo doon sa nagtanong tungkol dyan. Because these are really wonderful news for everyone who are suffering from certain diseases. I think God is really good to all of us by using Revobit to provide us with a product like this one. Tonight, I have a great time with you people. Thank you so much, Ray, once again. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. God bless you po. Good night po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you, Doc. Please kindly end your share, Doc. Ano ba yan?
Po?
Paki-remove po ng screen mo, Doc. Thank you so much for your time, allotting us time to share this amazing product, Miracell. So,
Okay.
Doc, thank you, Doc. Ayun.
You're welcome.
So far, are we learning? May natutunan ba tayo? Super ganda ba ng product? Can I see balik na 10 if super ganda ng product based on the explanation, based on the documentation? Sir Frank, yung tanong mo, I can send the meaning nun parang national. Balikan ko yung meaning nung NAFDAC, Sir Frank. Send ko sa'yo maya sa GC para at least. Kaya I invited people like Doc Joe para i-share kasi masyado na kayo nagsawa sa pagmumukha ko, di ba? So mas maganda minsan kailangan natin ng ibang tawag nito, ibang lineup of speaker para at least yung third party, mas maganda yung third party kasi hindi bias kasi pag ako ang magkwento, maganda talaga. In fact, yung sa four sachets, pag hindi issue ang budget, nako. Pag hindi issue ang budget, that 4 sachets a day is a life-changing. Sabi nga, ang joke doon is pag nagkita daw kayo ng magkaibigan, kunwari bukas, tapos magsisimula ka ng stem cell therapy mo, itong Miracell, and then magkikita kayo after 120 days, magkakagulatan daw kayong dalawa. Kasi yung kaibigan mo na kasing edad mo kunwari, mas matanda na siya kaysa sa'yo sa physical appearance, countenance, kasi ikaw pabata ng pabata, siya patanda ng patanda. So, ganun daw yung pwede Coach Beth. So, pwede. Siya ipatake. In fact, kahit sabi nga 1 month old, pwede siya ipatake. Basta nagtitake na ng ano yung tawag nun? Nung liquid. Kasi lahat all natural, walang halong sugar. Ang sugar niya is all natural. So pwede. So just to anyway, if may mga questions kayo, feel free to message it sa Telegram or sa ating GC. Paparating ko yan sa kanila. Kung hindi ko masagot, paparating natin yung mga videos, kunin natin yung mga testimonials. Anyway, yung sinasabi ni Doc Joe is hindi po 1 box ang binibigay natin kasi bawal mag-undersell, di ba? Or mag-undervalue ng product. Kaya kung ano yung selling price ng company, yun ang sinusunod natin. That's why doon sa ating package na 2988, you will get 12 sachets, half box of Miracell para mas maliwanag lang. So, questions so far about sa product? Ituloy ko yung discussion lang. Hindi ko natapusin lahat. Alam ko mahaba na 9:30 na. Ipakita ko lang ano yung bago, ano yung kaibahan, anong ginawa natin, bakit kumikita sila Coach Gerald, sila Coach Maria, sila Coach Robilin. By Saturday, sila Coach Sarah, sila Coach Dinya. By Monday, nandun sila Coach Sinaida. Bakit sila kumikita? Sila Pastora Tess, sila Coach Tess. Kasi dinagdag natin ito. PGL na magbibigay sa iyo ng free account. Ang ginagawa lang natin is tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung kung ano yung project mayroon tayo. In fact, ito lang ginagawa natin. Pag nagawa natin to, automatic member na tayo sa RevoBit, member na tayo sa starter package nila. The moment mayroon tayong tatlo, yan yung ating step 2. Yun yung dinagdag natin, bibigyan ka pag naka-level 1 ka, bibigyan ka ng libreng account. Now, para lang sa mga bago na first time umattend, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung kaibahan ng Project Create Life. Kasi aside sa product na makukuha mo kapalit nung puhunan mong 2988, remember kung nasimulan mo ang presentation, first time mo, sinasabi ko is hindi lang value for money, but dinagdagan pa natin ng added value na digital assets for free. Para at least pag ipag-grow mo ito in 1 year to 2 years time, this asset is also a life-changing. So that's the unique about this. Instead of just getting 12 sachets of Miracell out of your 3,000 pesos, plus shipping 3,000 plus. Tapos pag naubos, wala na. Ang ginawa pa natin, nasabi ko to last time, sa Bisaya, pakapin, sa Tagalog, dagdag. Ano gani yun sa Ilonggo? Sana yun si Coach Inad? Paaman o ara. Paaman daw sa Ilonggo. So may pakapin, may dagdag, may paaman nga dalawang digital assets. So just quick, ano yung digital assets na yon? Ang tawag dyan natin is itong garden natin na yung pinapamigay natin. Remember, ang binibigay natin is 3 billion plants. We started with 3,000 plants, 15,000 plants. Ngayon, ang binibigay natin is 3 billion plants na free. At meron kayong 30 drips. Na when we started, namigay lang tayo ng 1 drip sa level 3. 1 drip sa level 3. Ngayon, bumili ka pala ng package, meron ka ng libreng 30 drips. So ano bang magagawa ng plants? After, let's say, 8 months, kunwari meron kang 1 billion plants, kasi ito lang yung last ko na compute gamit ang calculator kasi hindi gumagana ang calculator ng plants ngayon. That's why this is based on 1 billion plants. But remember, ang binibigay natin sa package is 3 billion. So you have to multiply this to 3 ang result. But ang gusto kong gawin is after this is after 8 months of compounding, ginagawa mo lang pindot ng isang pindot sa isang araw hanggang dumami ng dumami, palaguin mo lang, palaguin. And after 8 months, ito yung potential income ng libreng assets. In fact, this is based on 1 billion, meaning if it's based on 3 billion, this will triple, right? So, pagpalagay na lang natin, mayroon ka na lang extra 2,000 pesos a day after 8 months, doon sa paaman, doon sa libre, doon sa pakapin, doon sa dagdag, aside from getting the half box of Miracell. How about that? Sino may gusto na ganyan? Is it panalo? Ipanalo 1 in the chat box. Di ba? Miracell pa lang nga, bibili ka na, how much more kung mayroong dagdag na libre. So yan yung kakaiba. Kasi pati yung dagdag, life-changing. In fact, pag ituloy natin yung 1 billion plans actually, compound natin every day at the rate of 3.3% a day, will give you $1 passive income. Wag na masyado yung malaki. Kung ano lang, $1,000 a day after 1 year. So that's 50,000 to 55,000 pesos a day after 1 year of compounding galing sa libre mo kasi bumili ka ng half box ng Miracell. So I think it's a no-brainer. And then, ang ginagawa pa natin, yung drip by the way, di ba may kapartner yun na asset, yung drip. Ang ginagawa natin sa drip is kumikita yan ng 1% a day. Ang all-time high niyan is nasa 197. Kaso lang this time, bear market, nasa pinakababa siya. In fact, right now, it's 2 cents. Pero once it goes back up again, this free drip na natatanggap ninyo, let's say after 1 year, kahit yung 20 drips na lang, will give you 100 or 5,000 pesos a day, assuming ang price ng drip 1 year from now is $20. Now, what if $100? So anyway, wala kayong risk dyan sa digital assets na yan kasi lahat yan libre. So wala kayong binili. Ang binili nyo is yung package. Nasundan ba? If nasundan, two in the chat box na kahit high risk ang digital assets or cryptocurrency, but since it's for free, meaning you have zero risk as to asset kasi may kapalit naman na product yung nakuha. Bago ko ipakita paano yung magic, bakit galing sa PGL tapos tatalon sa Ribubit tapos kumikita sila Coach Gerald and the other leaders, paano ba yun ginagawa? Explain ko yan. After ko ipakita sa inyo ang asset. Ang asset ko, at least meron lang kayong idea ano ba yung garden, ano ba yung faucet, at least alam nyo. Now, to cut long story short, bilisan ko lang, connect ko lang yung wallet ko. This is fully decentralized, kayo ang may hawak ng assets nyo. Blockchain ang ating interaction, meaning we don't interact with people. This is blockchain, para kang Bitcoin na hindi mo kilala sino nag-invento. But this protocol, this drip garden, I'm compounding for the last more than 1 year na. But ang masasabi ko lang, pag mayroon ka na ganito kalaking garden, even in a bear market, pwede kayong kumita ng $39. Of course, this is almost 2 days. Pag ang 3, this is 3, hindi to 3 billion ha, this is 3 trillion plants. 3 trillion plants can give you around $20 a day. Right now, sa price ngayon. Can you imagine when it will turn around? Pag mataas ang price. So, even though, like, if I will take twice a week, or twice a week out of 7 days, 2 days, or 3 days ang harvest ko, kunwari, paabutin ko ito ng bukas. So, $60 a week. Is $60 a week can help you complement your income. $60 times 55, that's 3,000 plus. Times 50, 65. That's 6,300. Is 6,300 pesos a week sa 3 days lang can help you during this time. 3 in the chat box if yes. Di ba? Ang sweldo nga lang ng mga nagsa-start sa trabaho, parang malaki na yung 6,000 a week sa kanilang 15 days, right? So, can you imagine if you're enjoying passive income, wala kang gawin kundi plant seeds lahat. Kung kailangan mo mag-harvest, hayaan mo lang siya ma-accumulate and then let's say maximum 3 days harvest mo para pera. And then, ang ginagawa ko sa $2 drip price ngayon, I am accumulating by compounding. And in fact, nasa second wallet na ako na almost magma-max wallet na rin. So, this wallet, ito yung pang second ko, na mag-max wallet, meron siyang almost 26,000 drips. 6 days to go. Max wallet na ito for the second max wallet. At ang gagawin ko dun sa dalawang max wallet ko, I will be airdropping to the next na malaking wallet ko. Ito, almost 9,000 drips. Pag tatlo na sila, next na naman yung wallet ang tutulungan ko. Hanggang super bilis na nung max wallet. Sabi nila, $2 drip, 2 cents. Paano kakikita niyan? Daanin natin sa numbers. Nasabi ko, nakwento ko kay na Pastora Tess. Ang goal ko by May of 2024, mayroon na akong 1.2 million drips. At seryoso ako sa sinabi ko na gagawin ko yun. Kasi ito ang magic. Kung kumikita ka na mura pa, how much more kung umabot siya sa mahal na, pag bull market na, pag bull run na. Nako, if you have 1.2 million drips, 1, 2, and then you are earning 1% a day times 1% a day. So, ang harvest mo every day is 120,000 drips. So, kahit 2 cents times 0.02, kumikita ka pa rin ng $240 a day times 55. This is still a good money for a daily income. 13,200 a day. So, yun ang ginagawa ko. Hindi ako masyadong nag-iingay sa GC natin as to my drip, but because gusto ko siya i-share during this time. So, ang ginagawa ko is nagpapadami ng drips. Because my goal until May of next year, my drip will become, total drips ko is 1.2 million drips. So, ayos ba yun? So, nagsimula ako ng 14 drips, 1-4. Ang ginawa ko lang compound, DCA, compound, DCA, DCA. So, until dumami yung ating drips. Can you imagine? Para sa mga bago na wala pang drips, namimigay tayo ng libre sa package. At marami pa tayong binamigay sa higher level. Ipapakita ko sa inyo maya. Can you imagine? I am very positive na in the next bull run, can you imagine if ang next bull run is June of next year? Assuming lang. And then I have 120,000 drips a day. Pag sinabi kunwari, ang bagong all-time high price ng drip is $1 na lang. $1 na lang. 120,000 drips times $1, of course, 120,000, right? Pero kung i-convert natin yan sa peso, that's, ano ba yan? 1, 2, 6.6 million a day. Pwede na ba? Mabubuhay na ba kayo sa 6.6 million a day? So, this is what we are doing. We are accumulating on a bear market so that pagbalik nung bull run cycle, marami na tayong assets. Yun ang ginagawa. So, wag kayo matakot sa libre. Libre naman yan eh. So, padamihin. Patience. And while we are waiting for this, anong ginagawa natin? Ang ginagawa natin is kumikita tayo sa Revobit and others. So, bago ko ipakita lang yung method, ay yung ginagawa natin, para sa mga bago kasi may in-invite akong few people na nandito, ang ginagawa natin is, aside from cash na referral doon sa 2988 natin na package na may kapalit na 12 sachets na Miracell, bawat referral meron pang 300 plus madadagdagan ng 1 billion ng plans mo plus mayroon ka pang 10 drips. So, and then pag nag-level 1 ka na, ito na yon. Ito na yung i-discuss ko using whiteboard. Pag nag-level 1 ka na, bibigyan ka na ngayon ng starter account ng Revobit. So, ano bang mukha ng level 1? Ikaw, meron kang 3. ikaw mayroon kang tatlo, automatic, mayroon ka na, aside sa assets na libre mo, madadagdagan ka pa ng 5 billion plants, another 50 drips, libre ito lahat. On top of that, on the side, you are building your Revobit business. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? Ganito lang siya mag-work. Let me show you. So, oops. Hold on. Ganito lang siya mag-work. I want you. So, ang level 1 mukha, alam niyo mukha ng level 1, di ba? Ikaw, mayroon kang tatlong referral. Yun yung level 1 natin. Power of 3 duplication. So, mayroon kang A, mayroon kang B, mayroon kang C. So, lahat ito, nagbayad, ikaw, nagbayad ng 2,988. Mayroon kang makukuha half box or 12 sachets. Siya, nagbayad din ng 2,9. Siya, nagbayad din ng 2,9. Siya, nagbayad ng 2,9. Lahat yan. Or it could be, ikaw yung apat. Ikaw yan lahat. So, one account, first account mo, second, third, fourth. Allowed tayo ng ganyan. So, ito yung mukha ng level 1. Okay? So, ito yung mukha ng level 1 natin. Power of 3 duplication. Now, value for money, may natanggap ka. In fact, ang assets mo dyan, super dami. Kasi pag-refer mo sa sarili mo, mayroon ka pa dyan 1 billion plans. Pag-refer mo sa sarili mo, kung ikaw yan o ibang tao, 1 billion plans yan, 1 billion. Plus pag nag-level 1 ka na, mayroon pa ulit 5 billion plans at 50 drips. So ganun, marami kang assets dyan na ang bilis mag-grow. Kasi your plans is growing at the rate of 3.3% ang drip mo tumutubo at 1% per day. Kumikita ka ng additional tokens every day. Now, pag ganito na ang mukha mo, ano nang mangyayari? Automatic, bibigyan ka ng free account. Free account. Wala ka nang ilalabas na pera dyan. Free yan. Dito sa Revobit. So, nandito ka na ngayon. Ikaw ngayon, lilipat ka na or bibigyan ka ng account sa Revobit. Nandito ka na. Of course, saan ka nakalink? Doon sa upline mo. Siyempre, kung level 1 ka, yung upline mo, pag level 1 ka, mayroon din siyang free account. So, ito si upline. Okay? Now, ang good news ngayon, pag level 1 mo, nakakonek ka kay upline, automatic, net na yung i-compute ko ha. Si upline, meron siyang 1,125 pesos na income. Binigyan ka ng libreng starter package ni PGL. Hindi yan libre galing sa starter package from PGL. Binili yan. Binigay sa'yo. Kasi nag-level 1 ka na. Either nag-refer ka ng tatlo or ikaw yung tatlo. Pwede yan. Then si upline, mayroong incentive. Aside sa incentive niya, apply na 300 pesos nung pumasok yung unang account mo. Pag level 1 mo, mayroon po siyang matatanggap na 1,125. Panalo or super panalo? Can I see 4 in the chat box if nasundan? 4. Ayun, nasundan. Now, what if ito yung scenario na ngayon? Si A, either, kunwari si A is ibang tao, kaibigan mo to, nag-refer na rin ng tatlo. Saan ngayon pupunta si A? Sige daw, ano mangyayari kay A? Si A ngayon, since nag-level 1 na rin siya, bibigyan na rin siya ng free account. Saan siya pupunta? Pupunta siya sa iyo. Susunod siya sa structure mo. Ibig sabihin, si A ngayon, na mayroon na rin siyang starter account. Kikita na ikaw ngayon ng, ikaw na naman ang kikita ng 1,125. Kasi nabigyan ng libreng account si A. Yung bagong A. Bagong level 1. Now, bilisan ko. What if si B nag-level 1 na rin? Anong mangyayari? Tatanggap siya ng assets, maraming plans, maraming drips, libre yun, products of course. And then, pero, si B rin, bibigyan ng business. Ikaw ang upline, saan mo siya ilalagay? Siyempre, doon sa kikita ka ng pairing, doon mo siya ilalagay sa kabila. So, dito mo ilagay si B. Kita ka na ulit ngayon ng 1, 1, 2, 5. Kita ka ngayon ng 1, 1, 2, 5 ulit. Dalawang 1, 1, 2, 5 na. Plus, since meron ka ng isa sa left at isa sa right, ano mangyayari sa'yo? Mag-prepare ka na. Kikita ka na ulit dito ng 375. So, ito ngayon nangyari. Hindi ka pa nag-level 2 kasi hindi pa buo yung tatlo ni C. Hindi ka pa level 2 pero kumita ka na actually ng almost 3,000 pesos extra. Now, paano si upline? What if si upline mayroon ng waiting dyan na tatlo din? Kasi may nauna siyang leader nga na o di si upline, mag-prepare din siya ng 3 pairs. Kasi left to ni upline, right niya ikaw. So siya din mayroong pairing na tatlo. Now, what if nag-level 1 na si C? Ano mangyayari? Magde-decide ka ngayon, ikaw, si U, kung saan mo siya ilagay. Kunwari, ang sa tingin mo, ang kailangan ng tulong si B, dito mo siya ilagay. Spillover mo siya. Ikaw rin kikita ng 1, 1, 2, 5, pero nakalagay siya sa right ni B, kunwari. Para, pag may bagong level 1 si A dito, or either spillover ng upline, prepare ka na ulit. Another 375. At hindi yan titigil, that's infinity. Kahit gano'n nakalalim, kahit umabot man sa dulo ng walang hanggan, nagpiparing ka pa rin. Nagpiparing ka pa rin. Of course, pag nag-level 2 na si you, bagong assets na naman yun, additional. Madadagdagan ka ng piggy bank, mayroong dagdag drips, mayroong dagdag na madaming plans. In short, lahat ng nag-level 1 under kay A, B, and C, lahat yan nagbibigay sa'yo ng potential pairing bonds forever na walang. Siyempre, Coach Apple, meron. I-trace mo lahat, pati ang binary structure mo, nakikita nyo doon sa dashboard na yan. So, in fact, nakita na ni Coach Gerald ang dashboard ng kanyang downline. Kasi nauna man nabigyan. Kasi madami pa kasing i-encode sa kay Coach Gerald. Matagal kasi nag-submit si Coach Apple. Kaya matagal na encode yung iba. So, yan yung ano. Yan yung question so far. Question na nasundan ba natin? May nalito ba? Wala po tayong tinanggal. Wala po tayong binago. Ang ginawa lang natin, dinagdagan natin. So, i-refresh ko kayo ha, kung ano yung old system natin. Gusto ko lang kayo i-refresh. Ang old system natin is, yung wala pa si Revobit. Ang old system natin is, ikaw to, pag nag-level 1 yung downline mo, kunwari level 1 na siya, ikaw, level 1 ka na. Kunwari ganito. Ito si B, hindi pa. Ito si C, hindi pa. Ito si A, level 1 na. Nag-level 1 na siya. Huwag ko na lagyan ng drawing. Question. Nung wala pa ba si Rewit, may kita ka? Wala. May kita si U? Wala. May kita si U? Wala. Nung wala pa si Rewit, nag-level 1 si A. May kita si U? Wala. Wala, di ba? Kahit pa mag-level 2, nag-level 1 na rin si B, wala pa rin kita si U. Kahit saka kikita si U pag nag-level 1 si C. Ibig sabihin si U level 2 na. Pag level 2 na siya, saka siya kikita ng 1,000 pesos cash incentive. Tama? So same din, pag nag-level 1 yung tatlo ni dati, wala. Ngayon, kumikita kayo ng super laking referral bonus na 30% at pairing bonus na 10%. So, super ganda. At galing yan lahat sa libre. Hindi na kayo namunan Namunan pa ba kayo sa start ng starter package? So, ang gawin nyo na lang para ma-maximize nyo yung pairing kasi pag starter lang kayo, hanggang 10 pairs a day lang kayo. So, kunwari, may waiting ka dito na 20. Tapos biglang may pumasok dito 15 sa left mo, sa right mo. Kunwari, left, right. Hindi mag-matter kung ano gano'ng kalalim, basta may pumasok. Hindi mag-matter ang structure, basta left, right ang bilangan. Walang level, walang limit ang level. So, supposedly, ang babayaran sa'yo dapat 15 pairs. Tama? Kasi 15 pairs ang naparisan eh. Kaso, ang account mo lang starter. So, ang babayaran lang sa'yo, minus 10. 10 lang babayaran sa'yo. So, nagtapon ka ng 5. Sayang din yun. Pera din yun, tinapon mo. So, anong gawin mo para makakitain mo yon? Upgrade ka ngayon. Upgrade ka to bronze. Ang bronze lang naman is 4-5 lang ang kailanganan mo kasi binayaran na ng PGL ang starter. So, ang bronze, dagdag ka lang ng 4-5 tulad nung ginawa ni Coach Dinya kahapon. Bronze na yan si Coach Dinya. Si Coach Tara din, bronze na yun siya kasi yung account ng, isa niyang account na accounted din actually, siya lang nagtatrabaho para sa mga anak niya. Level 4 na. So may bronze account na si Coach Sarah at ang gagawin niya sa account ng anak niya, gawin niya din yun lang daw bronze. So, ganun kaganda. Pag bronze na kayo, ang potential per day nyo na is 20 pairs a day. So, mas malaki na. 20 pairs per day, that's 9,000 pesos per day na ang potential. Now, of course, tulad sa case ni Gerald, Coach Gerald, ang advice ko talaga sa kanya, mag-silver siya. Kasi, pag silver siya, ang pairs mo per day is 500 pairs a day. Sa case ni Castora Test na malaki ang grupo, dapat at least silver kayo. Silver. Kasi wala nang time limit ang pag-upgrade ng silver to gold. Kahit kailan mo yan gawin. Pero mayroong limit ang pag-upgrade from bronze to silver. 50 days to. Starter to bronze, meron kang 60 days gawin. So, kung nagsimula ka starter, after 60 days, nag-upgrade ka ng nawala. So, pag nagsimula ka starter, tapos nag-upgrade ka to bronze, ang timetable mo is 60 days. Pag bronze to silver, ang timetable mo is 50 days. Silver to gold, wala. Meaning, pwede ka kung hindi kailangan mag-upgrade to gold. Pero, pag nakita mo yung income, anong kagandahan pag gold? Pag gold ang in-upgrade mo na, ang referral mo is 35%. Pag starter, bronze, silver, ang referral mo 30. Itong tatlo na to, 30. Pag ikaw ang upline nitong mga to, nasa taas ka, gold ka, sila may 30%, ikaw 35 ka kasi. So mayroon kang 5% na net. So sa lahat ng pasok dyan sa baba, pag ikaw lang yung gold dyan, 5% ka sa lahat ng sponsor bonus. Sa lahat ng downlines mo. Pag ikaw lang ang gold. Maliwanag ba? Maliwanag ba? Question so far? Question? Now, last, bago tayo matapos, hindi naman natin ituloy yung level 2. Alam niyo ito yung mga level 3. Dito na muna tayo para ma-understand nyo muna fully yung pinaka-foundation ng project. Ito pinakamaganda. Yung sponsor bonus na 30%, pag ang kumikita ng 30%, yung starter, bronze, silver. 35% pag gold. Okay? Para maliwanag. Now, sponsor bonus at para maintindihan na lang ninyo, yung tinatawag nating development bonus, ito yung dev bonus, ito yung pairing. Ito yung pairing na sinasabi natin. Pag mayroon kang one left at one right. So, ito yung dev bonus. Itong dalawang kita na to, zero maintenance ito. Wala kang i-maintain na product kahit isang box or kahit half box. Wala. Wala. Kikita ka niyan forever. So, kaya, kahit marami kang accounts, kukita ng buy, like sa case ni Coach Gerald, account niya, meron siyang isa pa dito, meron siyang kapatid sa kabila. So, account na din yun. Sure ako na account na din yun. So, kumikita yung accounts niya, 3. Kasi hindi niya naman kailangan mag-maintain ng product para kumita sa pairing at sa sponsorship. Now, if ma-enjoy nyo, gusto nyo ma-enjoy ang group incentive, itong group incentive, ang kailangan lang natin is 1 box per month. Before matapos ang month, kailangan mo lang mayroon kang nabiling 1 box. Ang repeat purchase na, pag level 1 ka na, pag nag-level 1 ka na, pag gusto mo ng repeat purchase na, ang repeat purchase mo na lang is 3,600 para maka-maintain sa group incentive. So, yun na lang yun. Mayroon ka dyan 1 box, 24 sachets. Pag nag-level 1 ka na. So, pag member ka pa lang sa PGL, hindi ka pwedeng bigyan ng member's price kasi hindi ka pa member. Gusto natin i-protect yung business ng RivoBit. Saka ka bigyan ng member's price kung meron kang starter package at least. Ibig sabihin nun, nag-level 1 ka na. Okay? Maliwanag ba so far yung ano? Can I see 5 in the chat box? Kung nasundan nyo ako. Nasundan nyo ako. Alright. Ayun. At least mayroong ilang nakasunod. Now, ang kailangan mo lang para kumita ka sa group incentive at unilevel bonus, kailangan mo lang 1 box per month. At the end of the month, before matapos ang buwan, dapat maka-purchase ka. Bakit? Kasi ganito kaganda ang group incentive. Group incentive. Paano ba yan? Example ko si Coach Gerald. Assuming naka-maintain si Coach Gerald ng 1 box, Gerald. Tapos mayroon siyang malakas na grupo. Kunwari, ang malakas na grupo is let's say, yung kapatid niya, si Jason, I don't know how to pronounce, Jason. Tapos, kunwari, sa kabila ni Coach Gerald, hindi pa masyadong kumikilos, wala pang movement. Tapos, ang kumikita ngayon ng binary, na mayroong malaking grupo, si Jason. Sa yung kumikita ng pering-pering. Si Coach Gerald, kahit wala siyang pamaris pa sa kabila, kaya galing kay Coach Jason, kunwari, bronze si Coach Jason, tapos kumikita siya ng 9,000 per day. Per day. Para lang maintindihan nyo kung gaano kaganda ang group incentive. Kahit walang pairing si Coach Gerald, direct niya si Jason, sa kinikita ni Jason na 9,000 per day, si Coach Gerald mayroon siyang 5%. Kasi level 1 niya si Jason. 5% of 9,000 is mayroon siya araw-araw, pumupunta sa kanya 450 pesos. Pwede na ba? Umaakyat sa kanya. Araw-araw, umaakyat sa kanya 450 pesos. Now, paano? Kung nag-upgrade si Jason ng silver, ang kita ni Jason na 225,000 per day. E di 5% ka, Coach Gerald, sa level 1. Level 1 mo si Jason. Yung dalawa ni Jason, Yung level 2 ni Jason dito, Coach Gerald, level 1 niya, so level 2 mo. So sa lahat ng kita ni A at B ni Jason sa binary nila, kumikita ka ng 4%. Sa third level, 3%. Fourth level, 2%. Fifth level, meron kang 1%. Kung silver ka. Ano no, pag starter, hanggang 6th level, may 1% ka kung bronze. Hanggang 8th level kung silver ka. Hanggang 10th level kung gold ka. Meaning kung malaki ang grupo mo, malalim na ang organization mo, worth it mag-maintain ng 1 box. Anyway, gagamitin mo naman yan. Kulang yan kung 4 times a day ka or twice a day. Hindi 1 box ang kakailangan mo. So, para doon sa sarili mo, para tuloy-tuloy ang pag-replenish ng mga dead cells mo, yung mga dying cells mo, o di, yung maintenance mo, yun. Pero, ang laki ng kinikita mo. Eventually, libre yung maintenance mo kasi kumikita ka ng group incentive. Nasundan ba so far? Nasundan? O di paano pa pag nagtrabaho na ang kabilang leg ni Coach Gerald? Humataw na to. Kunwari, kapatid niya din to, si Jomar. Humataw. Left, right. Meron si Coach Gerald, 5% kay Jomar. Sa dalawa ni Jomar, 4%. Pero take note, magbabay na rin si Coach Gerald on his own. So magpapares yung mga bagong pasok dun sa kabila, yung mga waiting na yun. Bumaba ng pera ngayon. Kasi malaki ng waiting dito ni Coach Gerald. Bawat isang pasok dito, 450 o 375 net, 375 unlimited, 375. Hindi pa kasama yung percentage. Nasundan ba so far? Nasundan ba? Nasundan? Ganun kaganda ang dinagdag natin. Aside from the fact, huwag kayong malito sa mga hindi naka-attend last Thursday at sa meeting kasi wala tayong binago. Dinagdagan lang natin. In fact, pag umabot kayo ng level 2, nandun pa rin yung assets. O, saan na yan? Eto, level 2. Nandyan yung assets. Pag nag-level 3 kayo, may makukuha kayo additional account na with product na kasi level 3 na kayo. Pag nag-level 4 kayo, bronze package sa makukuha nyo plus maraming assets, 40 billion plans, 400 rips. At huwag kayo makalimot, ito yung ating retirement, nasa level 5. Nag-aantay lang. Of course, may mga level 5 na tayo. Ito sila. Baka sabihin nila, mayroon na bang level 5? Of course. Marami na. Sila mga mayroon ng machine. In fact, mayroon tayong level 6. Sila Pastora Tess. Na aiming for level 7 soonest. Di ba, Pastora? Yung mag-asawa na yan. Gusto nila yan mag-level 7. At kasama yung mga leaders niya. So, same mechanics ang mangyayari. Bago ko tapusin, give me 5 minutes more at tapos na tayo. Same scenario. Pag level 5 ka na, ikaw, see you. Punta ka na sa Inagic. Para lang matuhog natin lahat na hindi bitin. Nandito ka na sa Inagic. Nandito ka na. Pag yung leader mo nag-level 5 na rin, sunod siya sa'yo sa Inagic. Dito na siya, si A. 1A mo siya. Pag nag-level 5 na rin si B mo, dito na rin siya pupunta. Sunod sa'yo sa Inagic. Pag nag-level 5 si C mo, dito na rin siya punta. Sunod sa'yo sa Inagic. At alam mo mangyayari? Kahit libre ang mga machines nila, galing sa PGL, libre ang machine mo. Pero, since yung mga machine na yan, may points yan, kikita kayo ulit ng komisyon. Mayroon kayo dito around 8,000 pesos, 8,000 pesos. At doon sa pangatlo mong direct, 2 points ka na, 16,000 nakita mo dyan. Hindi nyo ba na-imagine? Libre na ang machine, pinagkitaan nyo pa. Pwedeng ibigay nyo na lang yan sa PGL. Just kidding. Para yan sa inyo. At ang kagandahan dyan, pag yung mga leader ni A, nag-level 5 na rin, dito din yan sila dugtong. Ang mga leader ni Bid, dito yan dugtong. Ikaw dyan, may overrides ka lang dyan sila, may makita sa mga machine sila. Down the line, up to 8 level, mayroon kayong kita dyan. Hindi barya, but thousands of pesos override. Up to 8 level. At dyan, at pag umabot na kayo ng 100 machines, 100, libreng machines, hindi kayo nagbenta, hindi kayo nagdemo, hindi lahat. Ang tinabaho lang natin, power of 3 ng PGL. Pero, pag 100 machines na kayo, 6A na kayo. Pag yung dalawa mong leader, 6A na, 6A to ka na. Pag itong leader mo na isa na 6A, ito na 6A din. 6A to ka na. Pag yung dalawa nila, nag 6A na rin, dash to ka na. Pag yung dalawa nila sa baba, nag 6A na rin, bali yung 8. O di, 6A2-3 ka na. Yun na yung mayroon kang $5,000 per month transferable sa mga mag. Ganun kaganda ang system na ginawa natin. At pinaganda pa lalo ngayon na sinaluan natin ng binary system ng Republic. So, question so far? Question? May question kayo? Nasundan lahat? Yan yung ginawa natin. Can you imagine earning so much? Hindi pag kumikita na tayo sa ano? Pag kumikita na tayo sa na sobrang dami sa ano, pag kumikita na kayo ng 5,000 a day, 10,000 a day, or 18,000 a day nasa Ribubit. Simulan natin bumili ng machine sa Enagic. Yung mga downlines natin, ganun din. So, mas mapapaaga retirement nyo. Hindi kailangan mag-level 5. Pero ang kagana ng system natin ngayon, mas ganado kayo mag-duplicate. Bakit? Kasi rewarded kayo. Minsan narinig ko si Coach Tess na malalim naman to sa akin. Kahit level 1, level 2 to, wala akong kita. Yung pupunta siya sa office. Naintindihan ko yun. Pero, excited kasi tayo sa assets. Ngayon, since mababa asset natin, wala na tayong paghuhugutan ng excitement kasi kung next year pa or 2025 pa, ang tagal ng antay natin. At least meron tayong bagong paghuhugutan ng excitement. So sa mga leaders, sino dito ang nabuhayan ng dugo ulit na pwede pala pang kumita before matapos ang taon ng malaki na pwede pa rin Merry Christmas. Kasi bukas Merry Christmas na kakanta na si Marichan. Diba? So, 6 in the chat box. If you are excited to do PGL again, like it's your day 1. It's your day 1. Yan, 6, 6, 6. All right. May mga tanong kayo? May mga tanong kayo? Tapos na ako pag wala na kayong tanong. Ayun, oh. I love binary system. Ang dami na ng waiting mo, Coach Manuel. Linggo-linggo na yatang lalayo si Coach Sinaida sa'yo. Magpapahabol na. So, wala na? Wala na? Wala na kayong tanong? Wala na kayong ano? Pag wala na, tatapusin ko na to. So maraming salamat sa mga umattend tonight. Nagstay until 10. Sa mga bisita na nandito. Thank you for being here. Trabahoin natin. Sobrang ganda. Kailangan natin trabahuin eh. Kasi wala talagang way. Kahit sinong bilyonaryo nagsimula sila. Imagine mo kung paano nagsimula si Amazon.com. Si Bezos. Di ba? Malit na office. So, di ba? Paano nagsimula si Elon Musk, si Bill Gates? Kailangan talaga may hard work. Kailangan may hard work na portion. Simula lang. And duplicate mo lang sarili. So, thank you everyone. Good night. God bless. At sa mga manunod dito sa replay, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. God bless.
Recording in progress.